Hi everyone, my name is Tali from WSI Digital Path. Today I would like to continue the topic of email marketing, but from perspective of conversions. Imagine the situation. You as a marketing manager, your boss just came over to you and told you to drive conversions from email marketing campaigns or increase conversions. So you sit there thinking, what part is the most important for conversions and what should you do first? Should you look at the copy, hire a professional designer, optimize subject lines, create A/B split test? The options are endless. Unfortunately, you don't have the time or enough resources. Sounds familiar? I'm sure it is. So you just sit there, open email editor, pick up a template and draft a copy. An hour later, your email is ready. You finalize it by adding some logos, images and the CTA, call to action, and then you hit send button. You are really curious how this campaign will perform. In a few days, you check the results in Google Analytics and you see the email drove a significant increase in traffic to your website, but produced no conversions. What happened? The reality is you can do everything right, but if your email doesn't convert, it won't make much of a difference to your bottom line. Your goal is to create emails that drives conversion. Let's take a look at some elements that affect email marketing conversion. Let's start with a subject line. We touched a little bit last week about subject line, but not too deep, just a little bit about welcome emails. So today we're speaking in more generic term. Making people sign up for your emails is great, but people are not always waiting to receive your emails. What matters is that you need to make people open your email. If you can't make them open the email, they will not read it, and as a result, they won't convert. What makes people open your email is a great subject line. Your subject line is what catches their attention and intrigues them. Some tactics that you can use for catchy subject lines include using questions that drive curiosity, using scarcity that plays on the fear of missing out, using numbers, it's a good tactic as well, using the curiosity gap technique, using personalization is very important those days as well. Another aspect of optimization, email conversion optimization, is preheader text. It matters a lot. The preheader text is very important and often still overlooked by many companies. A good preheader makes people want to read your whole email. What is preheader, you ask? It is a short summary text that follows the subject line when an email is viewed in the inbox. The preheader is a great opportunity to use a different angle from the subject line while increasing the attention you get from the subscriber. Preheaders allow subscribers to pre-screen every email. Next aspect is timing and messaging. They're really crucial. You have made people open your email. You are halfway through the process of increasing your conversions. Now you need to make people read the email and click on the call to action, which is CTA. To do that, you need to send your email at the right time with the right message. The ultimate goal is to automatically send campaigns to your customers and prospects based on predefined triggers. Some of the triggers could be the time since the subscriber signed up for your list, the past open and click-through rates, past purchases, the average order value, the downloading white paper, the subscriber's location. The key to finding the right timing and messaging is to know what triggers matter to your business and what information you like to send. For example, after someone signs up, you send them a welcome email. After someone leaves something in their cart, it's known as abandoned cart emails. After a customer made purchased, the email known as a post-purchase emails. After a customer hasn't visited the site or opened your email for some period of time, you might want to send them re-engagement emails. The triggers you choose will depend on your own analysis. Optimizing your messaging and timing is easier said than done, but with some analysis and testing, you can find the right balance of timing and message. And the last one aspect for optimization is call to action, which is CTA. The final step of high converting email is to make people take the desired action. You need to add relevant CTAs in every email you send. Make every CTA large and bold, contrasting the rest of the email. You want people to know what they want to do next. And of course, keep the text short, as the button can take the whole screen. Also consider mobile user experience. Too many emails have a very small text, and visitors simply can't click on it. It's very hard on mobile. So to summarize everything above, to increase email conversions, your focus shouldn't be on just sending emails or the amount of emails and hoping for the best. You should follow proven steps and tactics, test, measure, and improve. If you have any questions, reach out to me at tali@wsidigitalpass.com. Thanks for listening. Have a great week. Bye for now.